From this given equation, x plus y equal to 4 and xy equal to 16, we have to find out the value of x and y. Now from this equation 1, we get y equal to 4 minus of x. Replacing y by the equation 2, we get x, and 4 minus x equal to 16, or 4x minus of x square equal to 16, or taking all this number in right hand side, we get 4x plus of 16 equal to 0. Now x square minus of 4x, we can written 16 by 4 plus 12 equal to 0. Now 16 can be written as 4 plus 12. We get this can be written as x minus 2 whole square equal to minus of 12. Now x minus 2 equal to plus minus root over of minus 12. This is also written as plus minus root over 12 into root over of minus 1. Now this can be written as minus of root over 12 I. Now we get x equal to 2 plus minus root over of 12 I. When x equal to 2 plus root over of this much, we get y equal to 4 minus of 2 plus root over of 12 I, means 4 minus 2 minus of root over of 12 I, means 2 minus of root over of 12 I. Now from the verification part. Now x plus y equal to 2 plus of I plus 2 minus of root over 12 I equal to 4. Also xy equal to 2 plus root over of 12 I, 2 minus of root over of 12 I, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 2 square 4, root over of 12 square 12 minus I square means minus 1, or minus plus equal to 16. Thus x equal to this much and y equal to this much is the required solution. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.